Good morning, 8th class children. Get ready for class. Open textbook, notebook, pen. See, in previous class we were we are learning about squares of natural numbers. I asked you to learn at least the squares of up to 30 up to 30 square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, like that up to 30 square. Suppose I ask you 21 square, so immediately you have to say 441, sir. What is 18 square? If I ask other boy, immediately he should answer 324, 18 square. So like that you learn by heart. A clever student will say immediately without actual notification. 18 squared, 18 into 18. Immediately we have to say 324. Don't multiply and tell. At least 30 squared. I am not. Some students will learn up to 100 also. But you learn at least 30. After doing, we did in 3A about the squares and what are the possible digits in unit space. The possible digits are 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and even numbers of zeros like this. See, in this exercise, now we are going to find square roots. Exercise 7b. Finding square roots. Find square roots. Find square roots. Square we know. Square root. Suppose 9 is there. 9 is a square number. What is square root 3? 9 is the square of 3. So we are finding root, the beginning number. The origin. 9 is coming from 3 square. So the 3 is called square root of 9. 16. It is the square root of 16. Square root is 4. Because 16 is the square of 4. Like 25. Square root 5. 64. 8 into 8. 100, 10 into 10. 121, 11 into 11. 144, 12 into 12. 169. So like this, square, when a square number is given, let us find the root from which number of the square it is coming. So for every square number, we can find its square root. How? There are two methods. One is prime factorization method, the other is division method. I will explain now both. To take only simply 324 I am giving. Find square root of 324. This is the symbol, square root. 324. First I explain prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Number 1. Second, division method. Division method. Division method. See 324. Prime factorization. Let us write the factors. Prime factors. Start from 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 1s are. 81 is not divisible by 2, so you go to 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are. So like this, we are finding 5 prime factors of a given square. 324 can be written as primes are there 2 squared and 3 power 4. 1 2 3 4. Now square root of 324 is equal to square root of 2 squared into 3 power 4. Take 2 squared means there are 2 2's, 1 2, and there are 4 2's. You take 2 2's. Half of 4 2. Now this is 18 like this. This is the method of finding square roots by prime factorization. Now this is the division method. Division method 324. How to do this? Division method take time, less time. Make pairs. There no from units place. Make pairs 24. Here only 1 3. You can put 0 also for making pair. It makes no difference. Putting 0 here, no difference, no change in value. But putting here, the value will change. Now read the table. 3 is there. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 1 2. So you take 1 1s are 1 only. Subtract 2. Take these 2 digits at a time. In our ordinary division, we take only single digit, but in the square root to pair digits we have to take. Pair digits now. Repeat the same number 1 1 2 add. Last digit is 4. It is possible with 2 2s are 4. It becomes small number. And the next number possible number is 8. 8 8s are 64. So definitely it is divisible by 8. 8 8s are 64. 16 6 22. So remainder is 0. Remainder 0. For a perfect square, remainder always 0. First pair will get 1. Second pair 8. Therefore, square root of 324 is 18. Next. This method is easy and it will take less time. And one more. 31 36. Okay. Given 576. Next, the second question. 576 by prime factorization method and the division method both. 576. Find the square root of 576. 576. Find factors. Start from, since it is an even number, start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 36 are 2 18s are So 9s are 3 3s are. Now 576 can be written as square root of this is equal to how many 2's? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 6 and 3 square root 2 power 6 to take 2 3 2 cube and 1 3 half of 6 because there are 6 digits 3 pairs for every one pair we have to take 1. So from 6 we get 3 pairs, 1 digit. 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, 8 into 3. That is 24. Prime factorization method. Of prime factorization method. Division method. Division method. 576. First of all, make pairs. Next, read the part is there 5. 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9 1 2. So 2 twos are 4 going. So remainder is 1. Take the pair at a time. In ordinary division we take only 1 digit, but in the square root we have to take same whole pair. Okay. Repeat the same number 4. And the last digit is 6. The possible numbers come from 4 4 the 16 or 6 6 are 6 6 are 36. 6. So possible numbers are 4 and 6. So it is possible from 4 only. 4 4 the 16, 4 4 the 16 170. Remainder 0. So from the first pair 2, from the second pair we are getting 24. Therefore, square root of 576 is equal to 24. Division method is easy. Within short time you can do easily. Few more. 77,744. to 7744. See, I am explaining with only division method. You practice prime factorization method. First of all, make pairs, short form. 77 is there. So read the table. Tables 1 ones are, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, small number, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are not getting, 6 six are, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81, not going. So in the square root, in finding the square roots, you repeat the same number. If you take 5, again you take 5 only. If you take 7, if you take again you take 7 only. Now it is divisible by 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are not going, 9 nines are 81, 81 is not going. So it is possible with 8 into 8, 64. Remainder 1 1. take the number 44 digits pairs at a time. Repeat the same number. 16 add. Last digit is 4. It is possible with 2 twos or 8 eights are. 2 twos becomes a small number. We can say immediately 8 eights. To get 4, it is possible with 2 and 8. 2 is become a small number. It is divisible by 8. 8 8 are 64. 48 6. 48 6 54. 8 1 are 8 15. Not going. 88. 77 44. Yes. 8 8 are 64. 7 minus 4 3 correct. Here correct. So it is divisible by 88. Now remainder is 0. One thing, when we get remainder 0, then it is a perfect square. For a imperfect square, we won't get remainder 0. Now, therefore, square root of 7744 is equal to 88. Like that. Hmm. 2916 4. Okay. 2916. I will write here. 4. 2704 7056 9025 9216. I am explaining division method. You practice prime factorization method. First of all, make pairs. 2916. 2916. Make pairs. Now read the table. 29 is there. It is possible with 5 5s are. 5 5s are. 25. Remainder is 4. 1 6. It repeat the same number. 10. It is divisible. 6 4 is 6 is there in last digit. In units digit, it is possible with 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are. So first pair 5, second pair 4. Therefore, square root of 2916 is 54. Like this. Second 4. Make pairs. 5 5s are 25. 204. Repeat the same number. 10. 4 is there. It is possible with 2. 2 2s are 4. Satisfied. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 4. First pair 5. Second pair 2. Therefore, square root of 2704 is 52. Like this. Today we are learning square roots for 4 digits. In the beginning I explained for 3 digits. Now we are doing 4 digits, and tomorrow 5, 6, 7 more than big numbers. Let us find the square root for big numbers. Next 7056. 8 8 are 64. 9 9 the 81 not going. 9 9 the not going. 8 8 the. So 6 remainder 5 6. Repeat the same number 16. Here 6 is there, it is possible with 4. If 4 is not possible, it will go in 6. 4 4 are 16, 24 1 25, 6 56, remainder 0. So 84. Therefore, square root of is 84. Now 9025. Make pairs. 9 9 the 81, 10 10 the 100 not going. So 9 9 the possible. 9 9 the 81, remainder 9 2 5. Repeat the same number 18. Whenever last number is 5, it is possible with 5 only. We get 5 with 5 only. So 5 5s are 45, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 1s are 5 9. Remainder 0, 5, 95. Therefore, square root of 90 25 is 95. Now, next. 92 16. Pairing 92. 10 10 the 100 not going. It is possible with 9. 9 9 9 the 81. Remainder 1 1 1 6. 9 plus 9 18. It is possible with 6 the. 4 the not going, it becomes less small number. It is divisible with 6. 6 6 are 36. 48 3 51, 6 1 6 5 11, remainder 0. Second time 96. Therefore, square root of 92 16 is equal to 96. So like this we have to practice all these square roots by division method and see. Prime factorization method you practice at home. And tomorrow for 5 numbers, 6 numbers, for other numbers, I will do practice 4 6 7 2 4. Second 7 9 2 1. Third one 86 49 and 98 01. Practice. Find this out. Thank you. These are easy. You don't feel any difficulty because I have given so many problems. How to find square root by division method for 4 digits. For 2 digits we know orally. 90, 81, 9, 100, 10, 121, 11, 144, 12. Right. For 3 digits I explained. Now we are doing 4 digits square roots. Square root of square digits, square root of 4 digits number. Okay, thank you.